Hello, everyone. Today I will teach you how to upgrade the original center control of BMW X3. This original car has very few functions and can only be controlled by the knob. Today to make a change to it. This is our modified car radio. Features are very rich. Support touch and knob operation. In addition, you can also use wireless Carplay. Android Auto, you can use voice assistant. The touch screen allows you to make calls, listen to music, and navigate anywhere you want using an online map. Want to know how? Follow the video. Now let's explain the procedure. Before you remove the fire, remove the air outlet. Then remove the key panel and the original car main engine inside the panel. And finally remove this screen. Does it sound very simple? Let's get ready to start. Before dismantling, we prepare a plastic tool, and then start to pry from the bottom of the outlet, and then take it out after loosening. After we remove it, let's take a look. There are 3 plugs here. Now we remove the first ignition plug. Then remove the second double flash plug and the third car door lock plug. It has been removed. Please note that the 2 black plugs can be pressed down by the buckle. Then the white plug uses a toothpick-sized tool to push into the hole. Now let's remove the key panel, which has 4 screws. 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. For the 2 screws below, we need to remove the small panel first before we can see them. Now we start to loosen the screws. The first, second one, the third one, the fourth. Now let's remove the button panel, pick it up, and look at the 2 plugs on the back. We can remove the plug by pulling up the pull rod on the plug, and the other one does the same. Start to remove the original car main engine. Look at it has 4 screws. We have to remove it in turn. Start to remove the original car main engine. Look at it has 4 screws. We have to remove it in turn. Here we just need to remove the power plug from the main engine. Now let's start to remove the screen. Look at it. There are 2 screws underneath it. Let's remove both of them. Then take this screen off and observe. It only has an LVDS plug. We just take it off. This one has some extra tight plugs, so we have to press the clasp and pull it out. All disassembled. This is what it looks like. Ready for installation. This is our new power harness. We put the new power harness through the host, then along the key panel, along the outlet, and finally through the white power source from the screen position. Note that the AUX output plug should always be connected to the AUX input plug. Otherwise the screen will have no sound. Here we go. This is the power plug of the original main engine. We take the fiber cable off the back of it, and then connect it to the back of the new power harness plug. Then connect this plug to the main engine of the original car. Note that the position should be aligned. Then connect the other black plug of the new power harness to the original host power plug. After all the connections are finished, we will arrange the wire and install the main engine back. Then we reattach the 4 screws of the main engine. Now let's reconnect the plug on the back of the key panel. We pull the pull rod of the plug down, and then connect the corresponding jack according to the color of the plug directly into it. Then attach the key panel and reattach its 4 screws. Then reinstall the bottom panel. Here we need to line the hole of the buckle and press in with appropriate force. Now we install the plastic base of the new screen with red the LVDS plug and white power source from the original car. Then we install the upper part of the base first, and then press down with appropriate force to make the base fit perfectly. After installation, we fixed the base of the new screen, or the original screw hole. We can fix it. Now we reattach the 3 plugs on the air outlet panel. After the connection is complete, align the air outlet panel with the buckle and its hole position and press in. OK, start to install the screen. We connect the LVDS plug and the white electrical source separately according to the shape of the jack. Then, align the buckle on the back of the screen with the slot on the base, and press down the screen to fix it. It's installed. Fire it up. You can see that the boot response is very rapid. Before you experience the new car radio, we have to debug it first. This one retains the original car system. We have to set the resolution of the original car system first. We go to the factory settings, enter the password, scroll down to select the resolution settings, and then select the corresponding properties of your car. The first time to install the Android car radio, we listen to the music has no sound. We need to set it. We enter the original car interface, find the multimedia settings, find the external sound, select AUX input and click OK. Once set up, we can enjoy the Android car radio. Its features are particularly rich. You can use Bluetooth phone, use the dashboard, use DSP to adjust the tone, but also listen to music online and so on. We make a Bluetooth call through the touch screen, adjust the volume with steering wheel buttons, and then answer and hang up. Now back up and try it. Good job, no problem. Then open the car door and a security alert will appear. OK, the video is almost over. There are many other features for you to experience.